Lecture number 1 on chemical reactions and equations. Before we understand this, let us brush up our knowledge about two changes. And those two changes are chemical changes and physical changes. We already understood all these changes in our lower classes. We will simply brush up our knowledge. So let us understand these two changes. Here are some examples from our daily life. Melting of ice, tearing of paper, burning of paper, and milk settling into curd. These are some examples. Now let me ask you this. Which all are the examples of physical changes and which all are the examples of chemical changes? You must have guessed it now. The melting of ice and tearing of paper are the examples of physical changes, and burning of paper and milk settling into curd are the examples of chemical changes. Let us understand their definitions. So, the first change is physical change. Let us understand its definition. Changes that affect only the physical properties like shape, size and state are called physical changes. Importantly, no new substance is formed in this change. Like we discussed this example before, melting of ice. Like we know, water and ice are nothing but one and the same. Their states are different. Moving on to the next change, that is chemical change. Let's see its definition. Changes that involve the formation of new substances are called chemical changes. Example, burning of paper. When paper burns, we get its ash. And like we know, its ash and the burnt paper are not same. Here we are getting a new substance. Let us discuss one interesting activity. We need a magnesium ribbon. We will have to polish it before we burn it. Why do we have to polish it? Because there is a layer of magnesium oxide on it, and that has to be removed. If we do not remove it, it does not catch fire readily. Therefore, we will polish it first and then we will burn it. Once we burn it, we will get its ash. Now when it burns, we make some observations, and the observations are like this. Its state changes, its color changes, its temperature changes, and gas evolves during the burning process. Therefore, we say whenever a chemical change occurs, a chemical reaction takes place. Like we have this burning paper. When it burns, paper gets converted into its ash. And therefore, we say that chemical change is a chemical reaction. We will understand different types of chemical reactions in our future videos. Till then, keep learning and enjoy our videos.